In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly build a new presentation using Google Slides. Whether you're gearing up for an important meeting or crafting an engaging lesson, Google Slides provides a user-friendly platform that makes designing presentations simple and efficient. Let's walk through each step of the setup process so you can get started with confidence. First up, open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. You can easily do this by typing slides.google.com into the address bar. This URL will take you directly to the main Google Slides page where most of the action happens. If you find that you're not already logged into your Google account, no worries, you'll be prompted to do so. Simply enter your email and password, then click on Sign In to proceed. If you don't have a Google account yet, you'll need to create one to access Google Slides and its many features. But I suspect many of you may already be there. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at what I like to call the home page for Google Slides. Consider this your main dashboard for all things presentation related. There are numerous options here for various tasks, but today we are zoning in on starting a brand new presentation. In the top left corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Blank. Click on it to open a fresh presentation. Before your eyes, an empty slide deck appears, ready and waiting for you to fill it with your ideas. Now, if the thought of starting from scratch seems daunting, don't fret. Google Slides has your back with various templates. Right next to the blank option, you'll find a button that reads Template Gallery. By clicking on this, a wonderful selection of pre-designed templates is revealed. Whether you're piecing together a business pitch, a captivating photo showcase, or even celebratory slides for a wedding, there's something here for everyone. Utilizing templates can save you precious time while providing a polished professional appearance. After you've selected either a blank slide or a template, it's time to sprinkle on your personal flair. Think of each slide as a page in your visual story. You can insert text, images, videos, and animations to create something both informative and engaging. Dive into the customization tools available. You can modify backgrounds, add speaker notes, and weave in diagrams to give your presentation a unique edge, making it truly your own creation. And there you have it, your quick guide to starting a presentation in Google Slides. It's a straightforward, accessible tool designed for everyone, from students to professionals. You're now equipped with everything you need to elevate your presentations to new heights. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough helped jumpstart your journey. Enjoy diving into Google Slides.